Welcome to JH. I finally set up the VEVOR power tool organizer in my garage, and shockingly, I can actually see my floor now. The rack is made of sturdy metal and handles drills, batteries, and accessories without breaking a sweat, unlike me during a light jog. Installation was surprisingly quick, and once it was mounted, it stayed rock solid on the wall. There is absolutely no wobbling, which is more than I can say for my last DIY shelf project. The design makes it incredibly easy to grab a tool and put it back just as fast, saving you from that frantic, "Where did I put the drill?" scavenger hunt we all know and love. It keeps everything within reach instead of scattered around like a hardware store explosion. What I appreciate most is how this thing turns a chaotic workbench into something resembling a functional workspace. It's durable enough for heavy use and gives off the vibe that it might actually outlive my interest in home improvement. It's a simple upgrade that makes a massive difference in garage efficiency, and I definitely recommend it to anyone ready to take their storage to the next level.